All right, you guys want the tea? And let's give you the tea. I just got that on the camera, damn it. That was a dumb idea. Stupid. Everyone was asking me where the Mark V Supra is. I'm seeing it all over Instagram. I'm seeing it all over Twitter. I'm seeing it on comments of videos. And the honest answer is, I don't know. I'm not quite sure. I actually started filming the delivery video a couple days ago when I went to pay for the car. The car is not arriving today, so we're gonna be expecting delivery tomorrow morning. Of course, I wanna do a larger video for the delivery, and the video is gonna cover multiple days of content into one to make one big special video. I've already started filming it, and I already did all the paperwork, but I haven't gotten the car yet. And here's what I know. On Instagram, I'm sure you guys have seen, because you guys are the ones who are adding me in every photo ever. People are doing burnouts in their Mark Vs. People are posting photos of them driving at home. People already have tandem kits for the car that they're taking photos of it like taped onto the side of the car. But you'll notice that no one on the West Coast has theirs yet. Allegedly, all the cars that are going to the Southern California area are at the Long Beach port. For some reason, those cars were supposed to be delivered and going to their destinations on, I think it was Wednesday, which is a couple days ago from this current moment in time. But they had to go through a couple extra rings of quality control. Now, I'm not sure why, and I'm not sure why everyone in Florida and Midwest got theirs passed through quality control before the West Coast did, but unfortunately that's just the way that it rolled out. We do have a car, we've already paid for the car, but we haven't gotten it yet, and as much as it makes me upset, trust me, I've been upset the last couple days. It's been real rough waking up and not seeing the text saying your car is here.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't.
But it's no one's fault. That's the main thing. It's no one's fault. It's still coming. But I wanted to make this video to announce it because a lot of people just think I was lying. A lot of people think that I was the car that got crashed in the back of the truck. But I wanted to keep you guys up to speed and notify you that I don't know much yet. But when I do know, I will, trust me, immediately let you guys know from a video, or you'll see it on Instagram somewhere. I don't want to release the color of it quite yet. I don't want to release anything. I still want to keep it just as low-key as before. But I will say one thing, and this is the real tea. Everyone keeps adding me at all of the Pandem pictures being posted saying, Teej, you need to do this wide body kit. Do the Pandem kit. What are you gonna do? You're bringing it to SEMA, but I know you're gonna do something cool, so what are you gonna do bringing it to SEMA? But I'll make things clear right here, and I'll set things straight. All part of the plan. I will not be running the Pandem wide body kit on the Supra. Although it looks gorgeous and it looks good, I will not be going with that kit. I will not say what I am doing, but I will say that the car will be at SEMA. Everyone in the comment section be like, do the wide body kit. I'd be like, no. But in all seriousness, just wanted to keep you guys updated, keep you guys in the loop of what's going on. I'm still super excited. And everyone's saying, oh, you should have gotten a C8. You shouldn't have gotten the Supra. You should have gotten a C8. One, 2020 Supra will always have that place in my heart over everything. And two, who says we're not gonna get a C8? As you guys have seen, people are making the same types of videos that I did when I tried to go to the 2020 Supra. It's not hard to get. You can even request one online. So when that car comes out in 6 months, boy, best believe we gon' have it. But right now, Supra is the all-time kingpin car on the market, and I'm excited to get it. And if anything, this delay is just building my internal hype that much more. The reason why we didn't get a real longer video today is because I'm actually packing to get ready for Tuner Evo Philly. We had to get everything ready from the trailer to bring a whole entire pop-up shop. So if you guys don't know, you got a 2-day notice. We're gonna be in Philadelphia for the Tuner Evo show. We're gonna have a pop-up shop, and we're not only bringing one car, we're bringing 2 cars this time. So we're gonna hype it up, make it a little bit special, because we've never been to Philly before, and I wanted to make an impact. So I definitely think that will help take the cake. All right, but I've already said enough. I don't want to say anything more. I will show you this before we go because I showed it on Instagram, and if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, be sure to do that right here. The valve cover from SOS just came back in. This is for the Mark IV Supra, which if we weren't leaving tomorrow, we'd have the car, but because we're leaving tomorrow for 3 days, we're not gonna pick up the Mark IV. Another update on that. That car is ready to rock. We just need to go get it and take it to dyno. But this looks amazing. Shout out to SOS. I highly recommend them for the Southern California area. I said, surprise me, do something special. A lot of the comments said to go black. A lot of the comments said to go gold. I said, Oscar, it's up to you. So as you can obviously tell, we did black with gold, but there's a surprise. But wait, there's more. There is a high gold flake and the camera doesn't do it justice. Like, it really doesn't capture it at all. But there is a very, very intense gold flake, and in person, when you put it in the sun like this whole entire black cover actually turns gold. Like, it doesn't even look black anymore. It looks straight up gold. This is like the perfect piece of resistance for the Mark IV, and I can't wait to put this thing on that car. Also, the only other thing keeping me going right now from not having my Mark V is my boys from Pumped Up Kicks just sent me my off-white Prestos. Huge shout out to them. Follow them on Instagram, Pumped Up Kicks. If you guys need anything sneaker related and you want the best pricing and you want an actual person to talk to and not some mass website, definitely hit up Pumped Up Kicks. Anyways, that's all I got for today's video. I'm so sorry, but I can't wait to hang out with you guys in Philly. 2 cars, not 1. Peace out and keep moving forward.